Tanner has tested my patience once too often.
Once? Huh.
He's tanned me for the last time. Was that a giraffe coughing?
That's the signal. Delete the Fs.
That sounds nothing like a giraffe coughing. It's obviously a llama clearing its throat.
Come on! Pronto, Tonto, before we get seen!
Look at that IP address. 4 2s and a 6. Hilarious.
That's it! Quick!
In a minute, I just want to laugh at the DNS settings.
Delete!
Record erasure completed. Mitchell, Tanner, deleted.
Yes!
Who are you?